Hi guys, this is a Skoda Karoq and I'd like to show you how to change the air filter because it's really simple and you have to go to the service to do this operation. So this is the engine, very simple. This is the cover of the air filter. You have only few screws, so you have 1, 2, 3. This here is 4 and there is another one here, 5. Another one smaller, 6, 7 and 8. Take all of them off, but not too much. You just leave them hang like this, and the air filter is going to be here. I already took it off. It's right here. So it's simple like that, and you have just to take the cover off, put this back again, and that's it. The position is of course like this. Please be aware and order the right filter for the car. Thank you.